What is Schema Markup and how to add it? Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you what is Schema Markup and I will also show you how you can add it. So first of all, you need to know what Schema Markup actually is. So you can see on the screen right here, Schema Markup is nothing but a structured data, the language of search engines using unique semantic vocabulary. It is a code used to more clearly provide information to search engines in the correct order to understand your content. In turn, this helps provide users with better information. Like if you search for how to make a bread and it shows you some kind of rating and the cooking time and other codes right there, then that is the schema markup for you. And now to know how you can add the schema markup on your website, what you should do is, now you have properly said yourself you want the coding schema markup. Now firstly you need to go to Google Structures Data Markup Helper. It looks something like this. So after you go here and see a screen like this, select the type of data that you plan to mark up. After you select the type of data you plan to mark up, paste the URL of the page or article you want to mark up, like here. If you paste it, now highlight and select the type of elements to be marked up like it is highlighted here. After you highlight it, continue adding markup items. After continuing to adding markup items, create the HTML, use the structured data testing tool, and now add the generated schema markup to your web page. Now that's it. There are plenty of other tools out there that will help you create your schema markup and even validate it. Here are just a few generators which you can use right here, and the validator test tools as well. And this also work for WordPress plugins as well. So that's how you can make your own schema markup on your website. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.